the story of Diwali.
Story of Diwali? I thought Diwali was only about crackers.
उठा ले बाबा, उठा ले bro.
Can you tell me the story of Diwali?
I certainly cannot tell the story of Diwali, but you know who can tell the story about Diwali? My friends who are putting their hard work, time and effort into making this show possible.
But before that, let's mark this auspicious event with the lighting of lamps and praise to God. Are you ready?
Diwali illuminates the heart and minds of the people. It is a festival of light. The importance of light is only in the darkness. Light dispels darkness and brings happiness to all.
Goddess born from the struggle between good and evil, guide us towards the light, guide us towards the light. In the world where plenty is possible, let us end hunger, thirst and homelessness. In your nurturing hands, in your nurturing hands. Let us seek refuge from want, fear and violence. With your grace, let our world be reborn in your image, where all needs are met, where morality and love are abundant, and whereby we are free. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Shiva and we had such a pleasant evening. And this is Griselda. Are you still eating? You're lying.
Come on Shiva, you know there's this saying, which we should company से पहले कुछ मीठा खाना चाहिए.
Too much drama. If you want some drama, listen to the skit.
Presenting to you a skit by our friends.
Soham lived with his parents, but due to the lack of work for a few months, the condition of their house became very bad. Meanwhile, Diwali was coming up in a few days. Soham told his mother,
Mom, Diwali is coming. My friends have already started decorating house, buying new clothes and burning crackers. When we will do all this?
Son, you know, we haven't been able to work for several months. It's been really difficult for us.
Soham gets very depressed after listening to his mother and leaves from there. Next day, in school,
Hi guys, I can't wait for our holidays to begin. Me and my family are going to our hometown. Any plans? What about y'all?
Yes, my cousins are going to come over to meet you, so I will have you visit Diwali this year.
I'm having a big Diwali celebration this weekend. My mother's going to make yummy sweets, my father's going to make lots of crackers, and guess what? You all are invited.
Musram, I think something is wrong. Since 2 days, I'm seeing so sad. Does someone know what's wrong?
No. Okay, let's ask. So, tell us about your Diwali plans.
I think one of
say you are hungry, then tell me.
No, just go away. I want to be alone.
You are my friend, Soham. You can tell me something troubling you.
No, just go. Please listen. There will be no Diwali celebration in our house this year. Every year we used to celebrate Diwali, decorate our house, buy new clothes, and burn fireworks. But this year we have no Diwali.
No, Soham.
I have planned.
Soham is at home when the doorbell rings.
Hey, dear, help me have a happy Diwali.
We want to come here to help you for Diwali.
Friends, what are you waiting for? Let's begin.
Thank you so much, friend. This will be my best Diwali ever.
Finally done. Guys, but we are missing crackers.
Firecrackers? Very needed. Burning them is a very bad thing because air pollution also noise pollution. We should not burn them.
Yes, you are right. Burning firecrackers leaves the city noisy and littered with waste. We should celebrate Diwali a little bit different by going cracker-free.
Friends, let's celebrate with Diwali a different.
As Diwali is a celebration of happiness and joy, let us share this joy with those in need and help them fulfill their lives with happiness and joy.
Noisy firecrackers. Burning firecrackers causes health hazard not only to humans but also animal friends.
So let us celebrate Happy Diwali for our pets and as well as for other animals.
Go green and be your friend by giving each other a plant instead of the other gifts which are packed in plastic.
Some examples of eco-friendly gifts are jute bags, carrying clothes, and solar power gadgets. Also use packaging gifts for recycled paper or newspapers.
Let's make this Diwali different, as Diwali is a hope to humankind.
Make the universal compassion, inner peace, love, and awareness of unity to all.
May the light of the diyas brighten up your lives.
Wishing you all a happy Diwali. That was one amazing performance.
Oh, what?
Remember why I had some urge to listen to music?
What is it really? I have. Just like don't worry, I will.
Stop. Real music.
Okay. Coming up with you next is the performance by 7th graders with some amazing singing. So put your hands together for the 7th graders who are putting effort to make some amazing singing.
खुशियों से सिमटा है ये दिन आज का, अपनों से बनता है ये दिन आज का।
खुशियों से सिमटा है ये दिन आज का, अपनों से बनता है ये दिन आज का, रिश्तों से गहरा है ये रंग आज का।
मीठा सा ये लम्हा है आज का, अपना सा सपना सा, अपना सा सपना सा है ये पल। दिवाली आज का दिन, दिवाली है अपना दिन, दिवाली हाँ खूब मनाए, दिवाली तारे गिन गिन, आओ मुँह मीठा हो जाए, रिश्तों की मिठास बढ़ाए, बंधन कुछ ऐसा बनाए कि दिल से दिल मिल जाए। थोड़ी फुलझड़ियाँ तो जलाए, सब रल मिल जश्न मनाए, दीपों से घर को सजाए, चेहरों की मुस्कान बढ़ाए। क्यों महकता है ये बंधन, रोशन हुआ है आज फिर से आंगन, यूं साथ जब है हम हर दिन दिवाली है, मुश्किल से आता है ऐसा मौसम।
अपना सा सपना सा,
अपना सा सपना सा है ये पल। दिवाली आज का दिन, दिवाली है अपना दिन, दिवाली हाँ खूब मनाए, दिवाली तारे गिन गिन, आओ मुँह मीठा हो जाए, रिश्तों की मिठास बढ़ाए, बंधन कुछ ऐसा बनाए कि दिल से दिल मिल जाए। थोड़ी फुलझड़ियाँ तो जलाए, सब रल मिल जश्न मनाए, दीपों से घर को सजाए, चेहरों की मुस्कान बढ़ाए। दिवाली आज का दिन, दिवाली है अपना दिन, दिवाली हाँ खूब मनाए, दिवाली तारे गिन गिन, आओ मुँह मीठा हो जाए, रिश्तों की मिठास बढ़ाए, बंधन कुछ ऐसा बनाए कि दिल से दिल मिल जाए। थोड़ी फुलझड़ियाँ तो जलाए, सब रल मिल जश्न मनाए, दीपों से घर को सजाए, चेहरों की मुस्कान बढ़ाए। दिवाली आज का दिन, दिवाली है अपना दिन, दिवाली हाँ खूब मनाए, दिवाली तारे गिन गिन।
Yeah, the song is finally over. But I feel to dance. Let's dance.
Okay, sure, stop. Let's not dance, okay? This is like some professionals.
You think I can't dance?
No, you can't, but our friends from grade 7 can. So, presenting to you a dance from grade 7 students.
जगमग थाय रे आव्या अम्बे मोती बेराणा चौक में आव्या अम्बे चौक में जगमग थाय रे आव्या अम्बे उड़ा उला वेराणा चौक मा आव्या अंबे मा चौक मा जगमग थाय रे आव्या अंबे मा मोती वेराणा चौक मा आव्या अंबे मा चौक मा जगमग थाय रे आव्या अंबे मा
नवराई माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवडतीला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग
माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवड हिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग और आई चली शर्माती घबराती वो पिया के घर इठलाती बल खाती वो सुरमई नैना छलकाती छलकाती वो पिया के घर भरमाती सकुचाती वो
Ain't the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. Kink out, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice tea and I'll get my ping pong. This is getting heavy, can't hear the bass, boom, I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this beach chain like money. This go all alone, I'm into that, I'm good to go, I'm diamond, you know I glow up. Hey, so let's go. 'Cause I'm in the stars tonight, so watch me bring the fire, set the night light. Hey, shining through the city with a little funky soul. So I'ma light it up like dynamite. Whoa.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Arati Shetty. Today I am going to tell about eco-friendly Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. On this day, Lord Ram returns to Ayodhya after killing Ravan. Diwali is my favorite festival. We celebrate Diwali with lights, crackers, rangolis and lots of sweets. Let's celebrate this Diwali in a eco-friendly way. First, say no to crackers or only use eco-friendly crackers. Second, use diyas instead of electric lights. Third, use herbal colors and flowers for rangoli. Come,
Let's spread colors, not pollution. Wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम जैनब राहुल सलीला है। आज इस दिवाली के शुभ पर्व पे मैं आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहा हूँ। बाजारों में लौटी रौनक बहुत दिनों के बाद, हर घर में छाई खुशियाँ बहुत दिनों के बाद, त्योहारों का मौसम आया बहुत दिनों के बाद, मुझे चेहरों पे आई खुशियाँ बहुत दिनों के बाद। कोरोना के इस काल में सब लोग हो गए थे बेबस, जहाँ तहाँ सन्नाटा पसरा और बाजारें हो गई थी बंद। दिवाली ने फिर से जगाया उम्मीदों का किरण, अब हर घर सजेगा दियों के संग। बच्चे दिखते घर के बाहर बहुत दिनों के बाद, सुनी गलियों में अब सोनू दिए बेचता बहुत दिनों के बाद। दिवाली अपने संग खुशियाँ लाया बहुत दिनों के बाद। चलो मिलकर त्योहार मनाए बहुत दिनों के बाद। कुछ चीजों का ध्यान रखना जब जाना बाजार, मास्क पहनना मत भूलना, सैनिटाइजर भी रखना पास। चाहे दिए ले आना या मिठाई, सब चीजों को करना साफ। चलो आज फिर से सजाए भारत को बहुत दिनों के बाद। धन्यवाद। शुभ दीपावली।
Good morning, dear principal, teachers and friends. My name is Maisha Khan and I am in 4th A. Today, I would like to speak a few lines about Diwali. Diwali, also called as Deepavali, is one of the biggest festivals of India and Hindus. Diwali is celebrated with joy and harmony, not only in India but across the globe. It is a time when love, unity and peace spread throughout the world. Diwali is an occasion when Lord Ram defeated Ravan and returned to his kingdom along with Sita and Lakshman after 14 years of exile. Diwali is celebrated over 5 days. During these times, families get together, share gifts and spend time together. We also learn many values from Diwali such as discipline, humility, dignity and kindness to name a few. We use flowers, rangolis, strings of lights and diyas to decorate our homes. We eat good food, sweets, dance, decorate our homes and burst fireworks on this festival. Diwali depicts victory of good over bad. While we all love fireworks, we should also be mindful of our environment. Thus, I request all of you to celebrate Clean Diwali, Green Diwali. Thank you. Happy Diwali!
Good morning everyone. I am Siya Shainu Parakat from grade 7 and today I am going to recite a poem on Diwali. Pretty diyas light up the place, rockets vanish without a trace. Be it night or be it day, its crackers sparkled all the way. Diwali, the festival of light, is filled with fun and happy sights. The festival mood is in the air. It is celebrated with people whom we love and care. Children are out with crackers in hand. Fireworks sound like musical bands. Elders exchange gifts and sweets, with love each one to others. Triumph of good over evil it shows, with happiness to all and sorrow to none. Diwali, the festival of lights, is full of fun. A very happy Diwali to all my friends and teachers. Have a happy and safe Diwali. Thank you.
Hey Leander, today I was thinking of doing house cleaning for this Diwali. Really? आज सुबह सूरज कहाँ से निकला है? Ha, I'm just kidding. I think it is a great idea. Our mom would love it. Yes, every day she works so hard. So today, let's surprise her by cleaning the house and first arranging her room. Yes, and I will buy loads of firecrackers for this Diwali. Oh no, my dear brother. Why would you do that? To burst them, of course. You should think of the environment too, my dear brother. Too much bursting of the crackers has made the nature cry. Too much smoke of the crackers has also destroyed the earth. Yes, but Diwali without any firecrackers is like Ambani without any money. You see, Leander, many animals, due to the bursting of firecrackers, run around everywhere, here and there. Even small children and elder people suffer because of this. Yes, I I think you're right, Nicole. I was being too selfish to think about my own enjoyment for Diwali. Yes, Leander. You see, Diwali is the festival of lights, not the festival of sound and smoke. So let us celebrate by decorating diyas all around the house. Yes, we will celebrate eco-friendly Diwali by not bursting firecrackers, by using organic colors for the rangoli, by using eco-friendly home decor, and by using diyas. Friends, let us celebrate eco-friendly Diwali and save our environment. We wish you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you.
I, Veer Shah, will discuss with you the ways and means to celebrate Diwali in an eco-friendly way. Use flowers for rangoli. Flowers are attractive and the beautiful colors will make rangoli beautiful. Also, flowers are biodegradable. They will create a good manure. So, saving the environment and making our rangoli beautiful. Use LED lights for decoration. LED lights consume less electricity. Diyas can be used instead of fairy lights. Decorative diyas will make our rangoli beautiful. Use clothes and paper shopping bags instead of plastic bags. Reduce the use of firecrackers and after bursting them, collect them in the newspaper when they are cooled down. Make lanterns and torans with paper instead of plastics. We have vacation, so why don't we use our creativity in making lanterns and torans at home? Diwali is a festival of colors and lights, so celebrate it with a great purpose in harmony with the environment. Thank you and happy Diwali.
Good morning, I'm Deepa. There is obviously a difference between the way Diwali was celebrated in the past and now. Even though the traditions are the same, it doesn't necessarily mean that we practice them the same way. Like nowadays, we just order the sweets from other people, but in the past, the whole family used to sit down together and make the sweets themselves. Sweets such as karanji, chakri, chivra, and so many delicious things. Earlier, we used to use more diyas for decoration, but now we use more fairy lights. We used to sing aartis ourselves, but now we just play them on YouTube. We also used to visit our friends and relatives, but now we just send them WhatsApp messages. So you see, there is a huge difference between the way Diwali was celebrated in the past and now. So let's go out to celebrate Diwali in a more traditional way this year. Let's go out to do the following things. Making sweets. As children, we can help out with this task. We can also start buying diyas from the vendors in order to help make their Diwali a happier one. We can also start visiting our friends and relatives. And don't forget to follow social distancing rules while doing so. And last but not the least, let us all promise to learn one auntie without the help of YouTube. Have a prosperous and happy Diwali. Thank you.
Good morning, my respected teachers and dear friends. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on Diwali. India is a country of extraordinary diversity. With this diversity comes a plethora of festivals. But among these, if there's only one festival that sheds light on true values, shows us the right path, and reminds us of life's greatest lessons, it is Diwali. Diwali is celebrated to commemorate the return of Lord Ram after 14 years of challenges and hardships faced during exile. This festival of lights is a memorial of infinite battles lost and won, because in any war, the good always triumphs over the evil. On this day, the entire nation is lit up as 1,000,000 diyas burn in the houses of the rich and in the huts of the poor. Indians all around the world celebrate Diwali with a lot of joy, vigor, splendor and excitement. But methods like bursting firecrackers not only worsen the air quality and increase noise pollution, but also cause discomfort to animals and birds around us. So, my dear friends and respected teachers, this Diwali, let us resolve to celebrate in a manner that brings happiness and harmony, kindness and joy to each living being around us. As the ancient mantra says, Om Asutama Sadgamay, from evil, lead us to good. Tamsu Ma Jyotirgamay, from darkness, lead us to light. Mrityur Ma Amritangamay, from death, lead us to immortality. This said, I wish you all a very joyous Diwali and a prosperous new year. Shubh Deepavali.
Hello, my name is Arush Mishra. First of all, happy Diwali to everyone. And today I am giving a speech on the importance of Diwali. Diwali or Diwali is known as Festival of Lights, and it is one of the most important Hindu festivals in India. Festival of Lights is celebrated to mark the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya along with Sita and with Lakshman after 14 years of exile. Diwali or Diwali essentially means the awareness of the inner light. In a way, the celebration of the awakening and awareness of the inner light, which has the power to outshine the darkness. On this day, the people decorate their home with their diyas, rangolis, and decorative lights. Wear new clothes, exchange sweets and gifts with each other, burst crackers, and in the evening perform Lakshmi Pujan. Diwali is celebrated exactly after 10 days of Dussehra or Vijayadashmi. Let us all celebrate at this festival by keeping in our mind its importance. Thank you. And oh my goodness, that was a lot of information.
That sure was. However, we can lighten mood and refresh you all with some dance.
Surely we can. Put your hands together for an amazing dance performance.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पाले चल ऐसा रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई येलो येलो कंट्रोल करो मेरे भाई लड़के ये दिल छन छन बोले अमृत सारी चूड़ियां रात बड़ी है मस्तानी तो दिल बेजानी कर ले गल्ला घूड़ियां
My dear children, you are the light in our lives. And Diwali, the festival of lights. Diwali symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, of awareness over ignorance. It is the time to celebrate positivity. Diwali reminds us of the ray of hope. It fills us with the joy, splendor, enthusiasm and happiness. Diwali is also the time to reflect upon the various ways through which we can help or assist others and shine our light into this earth. Dear children, in this festival of lights, sweets and decorations, let us remember the underprivileged and the unfortunate children. They too are just like us. The only difference is the financial condition. Can we help them? Yes, you can. You can help them by donating your clothes, shoes, toys, etc. and bringing smile on their faces. Remember, dear children, the joy of sharing is the biggest joy. So this Diwali, let us celebrate by sharing happiness and spreading happiness around in this world. May this Diwali bring lot of joy and happiness abound for entire humanity. Wishing you all, my dearest children and your families, a happy and prosperous Diwali. Happy Diwali, stay safe, stay healthy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Your words were really inspiring and encouraging.
However, we have another wide piece of information for our managers.
Let's welcome and say with a huge round of applause our manager.
Hello everyone, this is Jubin Barod. I would like to thank all the children for their wonderful performances. You made this celebration a memorable one. I would also like to thank all the teachers for their continuous support and the hard work that they have put in during the affiliation. Wish you all a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year.
Our day was special as our mentors shared few of their inspirational thoughts with us. With the speciality of this day we enhance with some of the interesting words. Let's begin! Yay!
Wish you a very happy Diwali, my dear parents, my dear children and my dear teachers. This Diwali is very special to all of us because we have successfully fulfilled our dream of having our own school building. I wish all of you prosperity, peace and happiness throughout the year ahead. Happy Diwali.
Thank you so much to all of our dignitaries for sharing their values and opinions. But I feel like forgetting something. Forgetting something? Yeah. Did you forget our dear teachers? Of course we did not. Let's welcome and speak with a very huge round of applause our lovely teachers.
May the divine light of Diwali spread into your life peace, prosperity, happiness and good health. Happy Diwali! May the lights of diyas light on your lives.
Divo Haranure Papam Vipat Jyotir Namostute Sarvesham Krite Vipotsavasya Hardam Shubhashaya
Shubha shine like sabras, glow like lamps, and burn all the negativity like crackers. We wish you all a very lovely and happy Diwali.
Wish you all, my dear parents, children as well as all in your family, our teachers and staff members, a very happy Diwali. This Diwali is very special to all of us because we have shifted to our new premises, our new building. Wish you a very happy Diwali, all of you.
Isaac Newton Global School wishes you all a happy Diwali and prosperous New Year.
Happy Diwali!
We wish you all a very happy,
a very